1 tumultuous, adjective.
इंतशार अंगेज, अफरातफरी से भरपूर.
Making an uproar or loud, confused noise. 2 turbulent, adjective.
अफरातफरी से भरपूर. फितना पर्दाज.
Characterized by conflict, disorder, or confusion, not stable or calm. 3 resilience, noun.
उभरने की कुव्वत, लचक.
The ability of a substance or object to spring back into shape, elasticity. 4 resurgence, noun.
कुव्वत बख्शी, नई रूह, हयात नौ.
An increase or revival after a period of little activity, popularity, or occurrence. 5 perpetual, adjective.
हमेशा रहने वाला, दायमी, मुस्तकिल.
Never ending or changing. 6 fray, verb.
झगड़ा, लड़ाई, रगड़ना.
Of a fabric, rope, or cord, unravel or become worn at the edge, typically through constant rubbing. 7 fierce, adjective.
संगदिली, खतरनाक, वहशी.
Having or displaying an intense or ferocious aggressiveness. 8 ally, noun.
इत्तेहादी, ताल्लुक बनाना, दोस्त.
Combine or unite a resource or commodity with another for mutual benefit. 9 avert, verb.
ठहरना, रुकना, मोड़ना.
Prevent or ward off an undesirable occurrence. 10 confrontation, noun.
झगड़ा, मुकाबला करना.
A hostile or argumentative situation or meeting between opposing parties. 11 amid.
दौरान. दरमियानी हिस्सा. बीच में.
Surrounded by, in the middle of. 12 amenable, adjective.
इताअत पजीर, फरमाबरदार, मानने वाला.
Open and responsive to suggestion, easily persuaded or controlled. 13 turmoil, noun.
अफरातफरी. खलबली. हलचल.
A state of great disturbance, confusion, or uncertainty. 14 exacerbated.
मर्ज में शिद्दत पैदा करना.
To make something that is already bad even worse. 15 resumption, noun.
दोबारा शुरुआत, दोबारा हुसूल, बाजियाफ्त.
The action of beginning something again after a pause or interruption. 16 precarious, adjective.
गैर मुस्तहकम, रियायती, अर्जना.
Not securely held or in position, dangerously likely to fall or collapse. 17 tenuous, adjective.
कमजोर, पतला, नाजुक.
Very weak or slight. 18 speculation, noun.
अंदाजा. कियास आराई. गौरूर फिक्र का अमल. नफा की उम्मीद पर रुपया लगाना. स्टा. सट्टाबाजी.
The forming of a theory or conjecture without firm evidence. 19 intensify, verb.
शिद्दत बढ़ाना, तेज करना.
Become or make more intense. 20 alarmist, noun.
दहशत अंगेज. सनसनी पैदा कर देने वाला.
Someone who exaggerates a danger and so causes needless worry or panic. 21 confluence, noun.
संगम. मिलाप. मिलने की जगह.
The junction of two rivers, especially rivers of approximately equal width.